Reporting and Analytics Scenario 6J. This scenario requires that a user have the capability of being able to look and see what access a current user has versus potentially the access that others within the organization have. We can achieve this by leveraging the Identity Enforcer module within the AIM suite. Based on your delegation and capabilities within the AIM suite, you can go to the User Analysis module and provide a user ID or job title to then do some searching and provide the different data attributes associated to users within all of your connected systems. For this example, we will search for a single user. Once the information comes up, you will now see all of the peers related to John Brown. Typically, this is broken down by the manager, and you will now be able to see all of the different peers in the organization and their different access points to all of the different connected systems and privileges and roles that are assigned. This will give the managers the capability to be able to quickly understand the differences between their different direct reports. This is all exportable to CSV and allows for a consolidated report. Let's go ahead now and search by a title. So at this point in time, we will do a job title search and search for a Sales Associate East. We now are able to see all of the different users associated to the job title Sales Associate East and are able to now see their access. What's nice about this report is it's not based on a manager ID, it's actually based on a job title. So that is a great way to correlate the access points between all of these different users within an organization. We also provide the ability to select systems to help refine your search. All of this data is captured utilizing agents on all of the different connected systems and or leveraging the connectors in your Identity Enforcer module within the AIM suite. Once you performed your analysis, a manager can come and request a single user and make requests per user, or a manager could come in and do a multi-request. Multi-request would be the ideal scenario because they would be able to then select from a group of users that are direct reports. They would be able to select these users, perform a multiple request capability, and assign any of these different attributes that they need to then go ahead and have the necessary access that is required for their particular job function. The ideal way to manage access that has changed would be to leverage the Avatir Privilege and Role Reconciliation tool. This can be achieved within the configuration module. Based on any changes that are made to a particular privilege or role, will then make sure that the latest version of that privilege or role is then reconciled to any users that currently have the access today. In this case, if the user had CA create invoices and we added an additional Active Directory group to this privilege, any users that currently have the privilege CA create invoices would then be assigned the new Active Directory group. The same effect occurs if the group is removed from the privilege. The same effect can occur if a privilege is added to a role. In this scenario, if a user came in and modified an existing role, it would go ahead and make sure that a reconciliation transaction occurs for every add or remove of any privileges to any of the existing users in the environment that have this particular role. This way, all users are always utilizing the most recent version of any access associated to their identity. Thank you.